Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of My Online Prep. Learn anytime, anywhere. But before moving forward, press the bell icon to never miss any new video on our channel. So, let's get started. Today we will start the first topic of Module C from LRB paper, that is the SARFAESI Act. That is the Securitization, Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act 2002. This act actually got enacted after the recommendations of the Narasimhan Committee and Introspecting Committee under Andhya Yojana in replacement of the existing Recovery of Debts due to Banks and Financial Institution Act 1993. So when this act got enacted? This act was passed on 17th of December 2002. This act enables the banks and the financial institutes to recover its money advanced and quickly. The act empowers the banks and the financial institutions to auction the property mortgaged with them for recovering such outstanding dues which are not paid for years despite of repeated follow-ups by the banks. The unpaid money, which is to be treated as non-performing assets in the books of the banks, are identified this way. The cooperative banks initially were not covered under the definition of banks for this act. But in 2013, the government amended the act to include cooperative banks formerly under the definition of banks, which are eligible to use the provisions of this act now. On May 5, 2020, the Supreme Court further declared the amendment as constitutionally valid. Basically, the abbreviation SARFAESI has some hidden meanings associated with it. The word S implies the securitization, which means a process by which a bank clubs at different financial assets or debts to form a consolidated financial instrument. The abbreviation RFA means the reconstruction of financial assets, which means converting non-performing assets into performing assets. The last abbreviation ESI implies the enforcement of security interest, which means taking the possession of the secured assets of the borrower, including the right to transfer by way of lease, assignment or sale for realizing the secured asset. If you like the content, give a thumbs up, share the video, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it. For more details, log into our website or download our app. Links are given below. Thank you. Keep learning with us.